Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Google Business profile using the custom app method with BitSocial. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Accounts section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, we see different types of social media platforms. Now select Google Business Profile. There are two options for connecting a Google Business profile in BitSocial. Now click on the Custom App button under Google Business Profile. To connect your Google Business profile, you need both the app key and app secret. Then go to the Google Business Profile Developer page. Now click on the three-dot menu icon, then select APIs and Services from the drop-down list. Here search for My Business Account Management API. Now click on the Enable button. Then go to the OAuth consent screen section. Here I have already created an app. If you have not created any app yet, please do so first. Here, input your app name. Provide your support email and developer contact information. Then click on the Save and Continue button. Under the Scope section, select all the available scopes. Then click the Save and Continue button. Now publish your app and confirm the action. Then go to the Credentials section. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Here, select your application type. Input your app name. Under Authorized JavaScript Origin section, include your website's homepage URL. Now get back to the Google Business Profile section. Copy this redirect URL and paste it into the Authorized Redirect URI section. Then click on the Create button. Your client ID and client secret will be displayed in the pop-up. Now copy the client ID and paste it into the app key field. Copy the client secret key and paste it into the app secret field. Now click on the Add button. After successfully adding, click on Connect button. If you are already signed in to your Google Business profile, now choose your account. Your Google Business profile will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You see a Google Business profile connected in the BitSocial account section. Now you can easily share your WordPress posts to your Google Business profile using WP AutoPost, WP Post Schedule, and Share Now features. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.